In this class, we will extend our discussion of application of LCM with the help of this example. In the previous class, we have seen such type of question, and we have learned that if such kind of question has to be answered, then first we have to find out the LCM of 6, 9, and 12. First, let us read this question. The question is a number which, when divided by 6, 9, and 12, leaves a common remainder 3 in each case. Find such numbers with the following condition: the biggest 3-digit number, and B, how many such numbers are there between 200 to 800. So in question number A, we have to find out the biggest 3-digit number which, when divided by 6, 9, and 12, leaves a common remainder 3 in each case. So we have learned in the previous class that if we take the LCM of 6, 9, and 12, so by finding out the LCM, we have to first express 6, 9, and 12 as a way of prime factorization, like 6 as 2 into 3, 9 as 3 square, and 12 as 2 square into 3. So the LCM of 6, 9, and 12 is 2 square into 3 square, that is 36. So 36 is a number which is completely divisible by 6, 9, and 12. Now we have to find a number which, after dividing by 6, 9, and 12, leaves a common remainder 3. So obviously such numbers can be found. Such numbers like all the numbers which, when divided by 6, 9, and 12, leaves a common remainder 3 in each case, is equal to the multiple of 36, k times 36 plus 3. All the numbers will be found as k times 36 plus 3. Why? Because the multiple of 36 will give you all the number which are completely divisible by 6, 9, and 12. And if you will keep on adding 3 in each multiple, you will be getting all those number which will leave a common remainder 3. So let's take the first one, that is part A. We have to find the biggest 3-digit number. That means we have to find a biggest 3-digit number which, after dividing by 6, 9, and 12, leaves a common remainder 3. So basically we are trying to find out the value for k. That means the k times 36 plus 3, we have to actually put a suitable value of q, so that 36k plus 3 is closer to the biggest 3-digit number. By the way, the biggest 3-digit number without any condition is, we all know that 999. So 999 is the biggest 3-digit number without any condition. So we are basically here trying to find out k times 36 plus 3 and try to find out a suitable value for k such that this is less than or equal to 999. So with this inequality, like 36k less than equal to 996, or k less than equal to 996 by 36. So 3, 1, 2, 12, 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is 6. Again we can divide it by again by 2, 6, then 2, 1, 6, 6, again we can divide it by 2, 3, and 2, 8, 3. So the value of k less than equal to 83 by 3, that is 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 23, then 3 7 ja 21, then 2 0, 3 6 ja, that is 27.6. We do not have to worry about the digit after the decimal, because we are actually here trying to find out an integer of k which is less than or equal to this. So since it is 27.6, so the integer k is equal to 27. So the biggest 3-digit number which we are trying to find out, biggest 3-digit number is 36 into 27 plus 3. Now 36 into 27, let's find out how much it is. 27, 7 6 are 42, 2 4, 7 3 are 21, 25, 2 6 are 12, 2 1, 2 3 are 6 plus 1, 7, 2, 7, 9. So it is basically 972 plus 3, that is 975. So 975 is the biggest 3-digit number which when divided by 6, 9 and 12 leaves a common remainder 3. So now let's take this next question B. How many such numbers are there between 200 to 800? So we are basically trying to find out that how many values of k will satisfy for this. That means how many values of k are possible for which these particular numbers lie between 200 to 800. So taking the first value of k, that is k into 36 plus 3, that is greater than or equal to 200. Let's check. We can check like k, if we keep on putting the value of k and trying to get which one value this is just above 200. So like 36 3s are 108. We can try like 36 into 5, that is equal to 180. So this value will become 183, and 36 into 6 will become 6 6 36 6, 216. So that is 180, that is 216. So this is the first value. For the k equals to 6, the first number which will come out to be 216 plus 3, that is 219. So the first value for k is equal to 6. For k is equal to 6, the first number is equal to 219. Obviously then we will find the next value of k, that will be 7 and 8 9, and it has to go till it comes out to be closer to 800 but not more than 800. So basically for the last value of k, this has to be less than or equal to 800. So 36k less than equal to 797. So what can be the value of k for this? We divide 797 by 36. 36 2 ja 72, Here we are getting 77, then again 36 2 ja 72, then 5 or something. So the value of k will be less than equal to 22 point something. It will be 2.1 and something. We do not have to worry about that. But what we are getting here is that the last value of k that will satisfy in this interval is k is equal to 22. So the first value of k is equal to 6. First value of k that is equal to 6, and the last value of k that is equal to 22. So we are actually have to find out how many values of k are there between 200 to 800. So the first value is 6, then 7, 8, it goes up to 22. So how many values are there? Total number of terms. Total terms in this series is equal to, as we all know, that to get the total terms, write the last term minus the first term plus 1. Because here if we consider it as arithmetic progression, the common difference is 1, which has to be divided by this. So since the common difference is 1, so even if we divide it by 1, there will be no difference. Otherwise the formula is the total number of terms will be last term minus from first term divided by the common difference, which is 1 in this case. So the last term is 22 minus first term, which is 6, plus 1, that is equal to 22 minus 6. How much it is? 22 minus 6, that means 16, and plus 1, that is 17. So there are 17 numbers in all. There are total 17 value of k, which will for which the numbers 36k plus 3 will satisfy this interval. So there are total 17 numbers which lie between 200 to 800, which when divided by 6, 9 and 12 leave a common remainder 3 in each case. So we will have more example in the next class.